December 13th, year 2017. Good morning, my dear daughters. Thank you for spending time with me this morning. Respect is something that is earned, my daughters. I have often told you to inspect what you respect in another. Most importantly, you must know yourselves well, reflecting on those traits which need refining within. Think then about what you like about yourself and one another. Each of you knows that which needs attending to. While it is never wise to pass judgment on others, do not confuse passing judgment with that which you do not respect in others. Webster defines respect as a feeling of deep admiration for someone or something elicited by their abilities or achievements. In order to admire someone, you must see in them that which you aspire. Yes, that which you would direct your hopes or ambitions towards. It is most difficult for a child of the heavens to aspire that which a child of the world values. One might say each has different priorities. While you can appreciate the qualities of each other, it can by its very nature create barriers that are not easily overcome. In order to enjoy another's company, you must genuinely like that which is the dominant force in one another. Age is not, as you know, indicative of wisdom. Yet, it is a wise person who understands that which their own soul is in need of. This can only be accomplished when one's soul is allowed to assume its rightful position. When the soul is not allowed to flourish or grow, then one will experience a restlessness which cannot be satiated by that which is of the exterior. Every problem that arises is an opportunity which, if allowed, will be the catalyst which increases one's higher understanding. Far too many, however, choose to become embittered rather than learn from that which they have experienced. Life is indeed a sum total of the choices one has made on the pathway to the divine. Problems which one encounters are a necessary part of one's lessons. When you turn inward for the answers you are seeking, as these problems emerge, this is when you will see that which will help one in their soulful development. Yet that which is of the exterior continues to impede that which is necessary to nurture the soul, one will experience an increasing restlessness. This is why it is so crucial you inspect what you respect in oneself, as well as those around you. When you judge the actions of another, you must be honest in your own evaluation. That is why I say it is never wise to justify the actions of another, as this hinders your own ability to see that which is the reality, that which is the truth. As earth angels, you must be willing to seek the truth, for to do otherwise will impede your own soulful development. The eyes then are the windows to the soul. When one honestly seeks the truth, they will clearly see what needs to be seen. Until this occurs, barriers will continue to remain, restricting that which the soul is longing to complete. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 111 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your family in these times.